Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get sturdy. First, let's break down the foundational elements. The sturdy dance emphasizes a strong, grounded feel with precise footwork. You'll want to master the rhythmic bounce and maintain good balance throughout. We'll start with the core movements, ensuring you build a solid base before moving to more complex variations. This guide will help you achieve that confident, sturdy presence on the dance floor. Now, let's dive into the essential footwork. The stomp is a key element, involving a deliberate weight transfer and a firm landing. Follow this with the shuffle, which requires light, rapid footwork, almost gliding across the floor. Remember to keep your movements controlled and precise. Integrating subtle arm swings will enhance your overall flow and help you maintain rhythm, making your dance look more natural and dynamic. Once you have the basics down, it's time to infuse your personal style. Think about adding subtle body isolations, like shoulder shimmies or head nods, to make the dance uniquely yours. Varying your speed, from slow and deliberate to quick and energetic, will create exciting dynamics. Focus on smooth transitions between your stomps and shuffles, ensuring your performance flows effortlessly. This is where your creativity truly shines. Consistency is key to mastering the sturdy dance. Aim for at least 15 minutes of dedicated practice each day to build muscle memory and confidence. Recording yourself can provide invaluable feedback, helping you spot areas needing refinement. Don't be afraid to dance to different music genres. This will improve your adaptability and rhythmic versatility. With regular effort, you'll soon be dancing with impressive sturdiness and style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.